Good day everyone! In this video, we will be teaching you on how to make the two types of Ethernet cable, the straight through and the crossover cable. First, we need to set up our materials. The first one is the UTP cable. Next is the crimping tool. And next is the cable tester. Last is the RJ45. So the first step on how to make an Ethernet cable or the straight-through cable is to cut the insulator of the UTP cable of about 1 inch long. Make sure not to cut the conductors of the wire. Untwist the conductors and remove the plastic thing on the center of the wire. Line up the 8 wires according to their correct sequence. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. Make sure that the length of the wires are the same. You can use the crimping tool to cut the wires. After you align the wires, get one RJ45 and insert them carefully. Do the same thing on the other side of the Ethernet cable. To make sure the cable is correct and if there is a connection, get a cable tester and test the cable. The cable is correct if the light forms consecutively to 1 to 8. Now, let's proceed to the crossover type of Ethernet cable. Cut the insulator of about 1 inch long. Untwist the wires and cut the plastic thing on the center of the cable. Line up the wires according to their correct sequence. The orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. Again, make sure the length of the wires are the same. You can use the crimping tool to cut the wires. Get one RJ45 and insert the wires carefully and tightly. Do the same thing on the other side of the cable, but this time the sequence is different. The sequence is green, white, green, orange, white, blue, blue, white, orange, brown, white, and brown. Grab a crimping tool and crimp the RJ45. After crimping, get the cable tester and check the cable. For side A, the light forms consecutively from 1 to 8, while for the side B, it lights up randomly.